Tespro TG Series Gateway crafted with expertise. By the Tespro professional team, Tespro industrial gateways feature high stability, strong adaptability, and comprehensive functionality. They offer efficient edge computing and ONECLIT cloud deployment for easy setup. The gateway is built on a high-performance edge computing architecture, delivering low latency and high bandwidth. It supports 100 or 1000 Mbps bandwidth access and runs 7/24 hours without disconnection. The chipset is sourced from top-tier global brands, using the same core platform as world-leading equipment, ensuring superior reliability. Designed to industrial-grade standards, operates from -40 degrees to 70 degrees, fanless cooling, ME-resistant, suitable for harsh conditions. Rich interfaces include gigabit Ethernet ports, I/O ports, RS485-32 and USB. Supports Wi-Fi 4G, 5G full-band access, compatible with a wide range of industrial devices. Supports electricity meter and major industrial protocols to meet customer needs. Seamlessly connects to Tespro Cloud and major global IoT platforms for remote operation and maintenance. 4 series are available, widely used in industrial automation, smart metering, smart parks, smart cities and more, empowering enterprises in their digital transformation. Tespro industrial gateways support international trade. We look forward to cooperation with global customers.
One world, one Tespro.